Today, I'm going to shaving cream tie-dye some shoes, and we're going to do a hat. Let's get started. So I have washed these, and so they're just a little bit damp. I've also got some tape. I'm going to tape around the soles of the shoes. Alrighty, both pairs of shoes are taped, and on to the next fun part. And that part is using shaving cream, and I'm going to be filling this whole thing with shaving cream. Oh my gosh, whether these turn out good or not, making this mess is just one of the most fun things. I'm not going to lie, it's great. So I have a bottle of water here, so we're going to add a little bit of water, and then I'm going to take my crafting spatula, and we're just going to mix it. Okay, we're trying to get it to be like a nice Cool Whip consistency. So we have smoothed the shaving cream with a little spatula. And I have my straw ready. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting in the dye. Okay, so for the dye, I have some bottles of dye. And to try and make it a little darker this time, I'm just going to fill them up halfway. So that way they're a little bit more concentrated. That's my strategy. We'll see if it works. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by just dripping some dye in there. I'm starting off with the pink one. And now some blue. I'm not really having a specific set pattern to this. I'm just putting the dye in there. Okay, now for some purple. Ooh, that's a nice dark purple. Pretty cool, huh? All right, and now the last step is to take either your spatula or like a straw and go ahead and start swirling it into a pattern. So I like to just go back and forth one way, this way. And look at how it creates like this really cool marbleized look. I love that. It's so cool. It also feels really neat to work with shaving cream. Now I just go the opposite direction. So I did widthwise and lengthwise. Alrighty. And then the last step is just to go ahead and put whatever item you're dyeing in there. So I have my pair of shoes, but I also have a hat I'm going to dye today. Woohoo! So I'm going to show dyeing the hat right now. So what I'm going to do is I have my hat. It's dry. I'm just going to go ahead and place it in there and push it into the dye. Oh my gosh, I could see it coming through. That's pretty neat. Do you see it coming in through there? So that means it's absorbing. That's nice. I'm just going to push it down until all parts of the hat are in there. Not really going to worry about the inside being dyed. And then I'm just going to try and push the edges in because I want to make sure that all parts get... Look at that! Do you see that little part? It's important to kind of think about if there's any wrinkles and see if you could take care of that. Like any creases. Because you don't want to miss any spots. It'll be very noticeable. So I'm just kind of stretching it out. Same thing when you do your shoes. Try and rock it back and forth a little bit. Okay. You could go ahead and cover this, put it in a plastic bag just to try and keep it a little bit more moist. I'm just going to put a cover over it and set it aside till tomorrow. Ta-da! This is the hat so far. Look at how this, it just really gets super foamy in there. It's kind of amusing. I'm going to tell you it's pretty amusing. And then, woo! Okay, here we have our shoes. Now it's time to take them out of the shaving cream and see how they turned out. Oh my god, that's so messy. Wow, look at that. What do you think they're going to look like? Whoa! So what I'm going to do is we're going to go rinse them out until the water runs mostly clear. Make sure to take off the tape. And once everything's rinsed off the best you can, we're going to put it into the washing machine with a bit of soap, just as if you're washing a regular wash, and then the dryer. All right, we'll check back for the big reveal. Alrighty, here we have them. They are beautiful. I love all the beautiful subtle colors of the pink and the purple and the blue. The tongue has some nice designs. And the last thing I have to do is just to go ahead and add back the shoelaces. All right, I'm gonna reveal the hat. Check it out. Bam. So cool. I love all the colors. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try the shoes again, see if we get in better lighting. Bam. Check it out. Is it working? If I had the hat and shoes all in there at the same time. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and check back for some more cool tie-dye videos and crafting videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.